It is just a two-step process to fix mouse cursor disappeared in Windows 10. In the first step, go to Start icon, then type Device Manager, then click here to open it. It will open Device Manager. Now on this window you have to expand pointer devices, then right click here and select Update Drivers. Now select this option. It will take some time. After that you have to close this window and close this one also. In the next step, go to search bar and type cmd, right click here and select Run as Administrator, then select S. On this window you have to type these commands carefully. Type prompt and hit enter, then type sfc/scan file equal to c:/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type sfc/verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. After that type assoc and hit enter. Now type chkdsk and hit enter. It will take some time. Then finally type exit to close the command prompt. In the final step you have to just restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.